In this video, I'll show you how to change mouse sensitivity Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This is our desktop background, right? Click on this, click on the settings. Now, if for any reasons you'd love to change your mouse sensitivity on a Windows 11, what this means is that you want to change how fast your mouse is currently going to be working, right? So click on this mouse. If you want to change it, you can see right here, this is the mouse pointer speed, right? This is the speed settings. So if you take this to the highest, you can see how fast our mouse, like our pointer cursor, is moving, right? It's moving very, very fast. But if you reduce it, I think to this, it will be very slow. It's very slow. So I'm gonna just take it back to where it has been previously, right? So this is it. This is how you can change mouse sensitivity on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.